Are you ready to transform your life and business? Discover Gemini AI Agent, a revolutionary AI software designed for anyone looking to dominate the digital landscape. With a regular price of $197, today you can access it for just $14.44. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Imagine becoming the CEO of your own AI startup without the heavy monthly fees. With Gemini AI Agent, you will forget the $500 subscriptions, manual labor, and security risks. Launch your private Ghost server in 60 seconds and gain access to the Google AI Ultra Suite, including top-tier tools like Gemini, 3.1 Pro, and DeepThink. What can you do with it? Automate tasks, respond to emails, create stunning graphics, write high-quality content, and even generate music, all while operating 24/7 on dedicated enterprise hardware. Your AI agent has persistent memory, meaning it learns and remembers your preferences over time, becoming more personalized with each interaction. Did we mention the extensive features? Generate human-like answers, create websites, publish videos, and even manage your social media accounts without any prior experience. Gemini AI Agent is fully cloud-based, compatible with all devices, and offers zero electricity costs. Sharing is easy too. With a full commercial license included, you can sell services, apps, and content while keeping 100% of the profits. Access 30 TB of storage along with YouTube Premium, no ads, and hook into multiple platforms like ClickBank and JVZoo. Benefit from built-in step-by-step training and 24/7 support, making it seamless for beginners and experts alike. And with a 30-day money-back guarantee, you can start risk-free. But that's not all. Get exclusive bonuses valued at nearly $5,000, including the AI Agency Masterclass and a one-click app builder. Ready to take advantage of this transformative software? Click the link below to start your journey with Gemini AI Agent today. Don't procrastinate. Secure your lifetime access for just a one-time payment. The future is at your fingertips. Act now and reap the rewards of modern AI technology.